What is the uranium series? Have you ever wondered how scientists determine the age of ancient materials? One fascinating method is known as uranium series dating. This technique is particularly useful in archaeology for dating materials that contain calcium carbonate, such as stalactites, stalagmites, and cave deposits. So, what exactly is the uranium series? The process begins with uranium-238, which is a naturally occurring isotope. Over time, uranium-238 decays into uranium-234. Then, uranium-234 decays further into thorium-230, which is another radioactive isotope. Thorium-230 has a half-life of about 75,000 years. This means that it takes that long for half of a sample of thorium-230 to decay. An important concept in this dating method is secular equilibrium. This occurs when the rate of decay of thorium-230 equals the rate of its production from uranium-234. When this equilibrium is reached, scientists can calculate the age of a sample by measuring the ratio of thorium-230 to uranium-234. In archaeology, uranium series dating has several practical applications. It is particularly effective for dating speleothems, which are formations like stalactites and stalagmites found in caves. The method can also be used to date cave art indirectly. By analyzing the calcium carbonate crusts that, from over or under the artwork, researchers can establish a minimum age for the art. If samples are taken from both before and after the painting, it can help determine a maximum age as well. Uranium series dating can handle samples that are up to 500,000 years old. This is much longer than radiocarbon dating, which is typically limited to samples that are around 50,000 years old. This makes uranium series dating especially useful for marine samples, where radiocarbon dating can be complicated by the marine reservoir effect. However, this method does have its limitations. It requires the presence of uranium and the absence of thorium at the time the sample was formed. Additionally, it assumes that no significant contamination has occurred since the formation of the sample. Despite these limitations, uranium series dating offers advantages that make it a powerful tool in archaeological excavations. It provides a broader time range than many other dating methods and can be applied to samples that are difficult to date using other techniques. In summary, the uranium series is an essential part of the toolkit for archaeologists. It helps date prehistoric artifacts and events, especially in situations where other dating methods may not be applicable. By understanding the decay of uranium isotopes, scientists can piece together the timeline of our planet's history and the evolution of human culture.